Let me give you a little history. I've had to have bridge work in my mouth since I was about 13 years old. And it has to do with having bad gums and really just not really good teeth. I would get these bridges here, another bridge over here. I've got this tooth knocked out, got a bridge up there. Before you know it, I've got like 5 bridges in my mouth. And in 2001, before I went to WWE, I did everything over again. Just to do the caps and do everything the way it needed to be done. In 2001, it cost me $47,000. Kevin Nash said I had an M class in my mouth. You'd think, well, okay, well, I'm done. No, because I still was wrestling and I was still getting my face jarred. The bridges don't last. And you start to lose the bone in your jaw because the bridge isn't there and it has a big gap. So you're losing this. I'm not a person who didn't take care of their teeth. I brush 2-3 times a day. I even flossed. I did all the things you're supposed to do, but right here I was very weak until I saw this, literally solution. The G4 solution, and these teeth look amazing.
You wind up having root canal after root canal after root canal. I think I had like 15 root canals. And to have the opportunity to change that, it's just been awesome.
You look good, huh?
Yeah. It's unbelievable.
I originally had looked into other companies who do this, and it was like year and a half between all the stuff that they had to do. And I'm not the most patient individual. So when I heard Jarrett tell me I was going to be in and out in 24 hours, I was like, no way, dude. Like, what really needs to be done? He's like, no, really, bro. You come in that day, the docs do all the scanning, they do everything that they need to do. They do the whole solution. You go out, you wake up, you got teeth in your mouth. You come back the next day, they check you out, and you're done. The crew, the doctors, the technicians, everybody's super informative, and they're gonna make you feel super comfortable with it. When he told me what this whole organization was about, I wanted to be involved because I knew they were putting out the best product you could have, especially the best product for the money, like unbelievable. I had so many bridges in my mouth and it was so uncomfortable, and a lot of times the bridges would pop out. And this, I mean, I don't even pay attention to it anymore. I feel like this is just my regular teeth that I grew up with. At 63 years young, I know I look amazing. I want everything to be like that. The money that you spend for the results that you get, I don't think there's like a better deal out there, period, in life.